Do you know how a simple blood test can help predict if you might have heart disease? A recent study conducted in Korea looked at the link between a single blood test for total cholesterol and heart disease deaths in Korean adults. They followed over 12,000 adults aged 40 to 69 years for 15 years and found that people with the lowest total cholesterol levels, less than 160 milligrams per deciliter, and the highest levels, greater than or equal to 240 milligrams per deciliter, had higher rates of dying from heart disease. The study suggests being cautious when prescribing statins, which are commonly prescribed medicines that lower cholesterol, for people at low risk for heart disease. Heart disease is a leading cause of death around the world, and high blood cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease events. To make it easier to assess people's risk of heart disease in low and medium resource settings, the World Health Organization recommends using total cholesterol as the only lipid fat measurement. A single total cholesterol test can give information about heart disease risk and can predict it for a long time. Interestingly, the relationship between cholesterol and mortality, which means how many people die, varied depending on the country and gender. When total cholesterol levels were too low, there was an increased risk of dying, and this might be explained by things like smoking or other factors. Sometimes, people have described the effect of low cholesterol on health as reverse epidemiology or obesity paradox. This means that, in some cases, low cholesterol might not be as healthy as we previously thought. Similar effects have been seen in other health conditions, like cancer and lung disease. However, this study has some limitations. For example, it only measured cholesterol once, and it didn't consider the impact of diet and exercise on cholesterol levels. Even though there are limitations, this study shows how important it is to keep an eye on your cholesterol levels and to be careful when taking medicines like statins to prevent heart disease. It's also important to make lifestyle changes and talk to your doctor about your heart health. If you enjoyed this video, you'll be sure to enjoy this one. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I release a new video. Be sure to check out some of the recipes on my channel as well.